In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for meal planning. First, launch open ChatGPT. Make sure to log into your account. Now, type a prompt that says create a meal planning. Now, ChatGPT will tell you exactly what information you need to provide to it in order to create a meal planning. Follow this instruction and include your diet such as vegetarian, vegan, or omnivore. Mention your nutrition goal. You should also include your budget, mention any food allergies or dietary restrictions, and also how many people you're cooking for. Mention all the details that is asked over there and send in your next prompt. Now, ChatGPT is going to give you the complete meal planning over here. You can also ask ChatGPT to create a weekly meal plan along with a grocery list. Request the meals to be organized by day with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. If you'd like, ask for estimated calorie and portion sizes as well. It's going to provide you everything. In the end, ChatGPT will also provide you a grocery list to be grouped into categories like produce, protein, dairy, grains, pantry items, and spices. To save money and reduce waste, ask ChatGPT to reuse ingredients across multiple meals. Now, ChatGPT will generate a personalized meal plan and shopping list based on the information you provided. If you want to make any changes, simply ask ChatGPT to adjust the meal, replace ingredient, or fit a different budget. That's how you can use ChatGPT for meal planning. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.